so I'm currently driving, as y'all can see, on my phone, so the camera quality won't be that great. It's the front-facing camera, you feel me? But it's not even about the visuals, it's more about the audio. So how I want y'all to listen to this is more like a podcast type of thing. Just listen to the audio and leave it alone. It's not gonna be that long though. It's not gonna be podcast length. But yeah, I just wanted to speak about the fact that I started this channel like with the idea of, hey, I'm gonna document my process of getting into an internship, like getting my first internship. That was my idea. Like, I'm going to make this channel to document my route of how I got my first internship. Literally like 2 weeks. No, let me not say 2 weeks. Cause I started recording it during my while I was trying to intern with this one company. I still don't know if I should say company names, but for my own safety, I'm not going to, because I don't want no problems. I don't know how that legal stuff works. I'm black. I ain't, you know what I'm saying? I ain't doing all that. So it was while I was interning with the other company, and they ended up rejecting me at the end of the day. Cool, no problem. I'm not upset because I'm here now, and I love the company I'm at right now. Like, I love it. I really do enjoy it. It's a small startup, very small. I say very small. Maybe like, I think like 40 people. That's including like interns and stuff, maybe. Or I don't know if that's including interns or not. I'm not positive. But about 40 people who work there, So nothing crazy, nothing big at all. And I'm actually their first security intern. So obviously, I wasn't aware of that at the beginning, but now I'm aware of that. With talking to my person who's teaching me stuff. I like to use the word mentor. But the person who's mentoring me at the moment, trying to build me up with all the security stuff. He mentioned that at some point, and I was like, okay, which, like, if they first told me that in the beginning, I might have been a little worried, but like, he told me that a little bit after, and he was already doing such a great job at, teaching me things I needed to know. So I'm not really worried about the fact that I'm the first one. But to skip ahead to get to the juicy part of the story, the first week I was there, I just felt so confused, felt so lost. I felt like I wasn't doing anything. I felt like I wasn't like making any type of impact in any way, shape, or form. 2 weeks in, due to a great mentor, I do feel like I'm now making some very small, but some sort of impact. I feel like the work I'm doing is actually useful to the company. I'll put it like that. I feel like I did things that are useful to the company. To simply explain, real quick, most recently thing we did, not gonna get into too much detail because that's not what this video is about, but I would like to get into technical details, maybe not about this I do in my company, but just things in general. Something I'm thinking about doing is and if you think it's a good idea, let me know down below in the comments if this will help you at all. I still don't have my Security Plus. That's something I definitely need to get. Of course, no one told me I need to get it. It's not any type of requirement. I've even heard people get jobs without even having it. But it's just something that I feel like I should have, especially to open up my horizons to GovTech. To be in GovTech, you definitely need Security Plus. So that's something I've been thinking about getting, And of course, just knowing more of those concepts would definitely help. Like, even if I get it or not, like, learning more security concepts will help me in my daily job. Either way. So, working on the things we're doing, I was like implementing roles using SQL. Never used SQL before. I had to learn it. Implementing roles on our database, things like that. So and the one who created the roles, made the names, made the parameters. Of course, mentor helped me, figure out exactly what we need for each developer and things like that. But it was really fun to do. Like, I was like, oh shoot, it's actually cool. Like, there's a lot of times that I always felt like, like this tech stuff, it's not for me. It's not gonna be fun. I'm gonna hate my life. A lot of times while I'm doing it, like it's fun. It's fun. It's really when it comes to that self-studying time. Like, like right now, we want to get better at our network security also. So we want to learn some things about like cross-site scripting, SQL injections, URL injections, things of that nature. I don't know HTML. And then also, our site is made from JavaScript. I don't know JavaScript. So I'm going to have to go and learn these things. And that is when it starts irking me. I'm like, oh my gosh. Like, that's the exact thing. That's like, I can't lie, that's why I chose security. Because I was like, coding is not something I enjoy doing. I don't want to do it. I don't want to do it. I don't want to do it. I can tweak people's code. I can understand people's code. I don't want to create the code myself. I don't want to do that. And of course, they're not expecting me to do that. But they do expect me to understand how the code works so I can now secure it. You can't secure something you don't understand. How can you protect something you don't know? You don't know what it is. You get. So yeah, I'm gonna have to learn a good amount of JavaScript, a good amount of HTML, which is good. Like, in my opinion, it's good that I'm doing that. But I just don't want to, out of my own, I guess, laziness. I don't want to. But yeah, that's where I'm at right now. I'm feeling a lot better with my job than I ever have after yesterday and today. We had a really good chat with my mentor about where I'm going, where I'm headed with everything that we're doing. So hopefully it turns out well. And also one of my big things I like is it's feeling like it's gonna be a good opportunity to help my friends also get into tech. Because getting your first tech role is the hardest part. Everyone watching this already knows that. So I'm really feeling like if I can continue on the trajectory I'm on right now, I can get to a place where I'm able to say, hey, can we bring along board this person, some of my friends, things like that. Which just being help your people is always the best thing you can even think of. So that'd be really cool. That's what I'm thinking about. But of course, we will see how that goes. Either that's where I'm at. I'm here to document. When will I start making actual videos that are super engaging for views and things of that nature? I don't know. Right now, I'm just making videos to document my process. If someone finds it interesting and engaging, that's great. I don't expect for people to, because I'm just ranting at the end of the day. But I don't know if y'all do. I just look at nice cars. These cars are nice, not nice at all. But I love seeing nice cars. That's just all about me. Like, there's Tesla coming over here. People probably don't qualify Tesla as a nice car. Maybe they do. I don't know. But I think Teslas are my peak. You know what I'm saying? Not my peak, but like my goal. I'll say my simple goal. And I don't have any crazy car goals. I'm not like, I'll go waste all my money on cars. No. But I just want to. I want a Tesla. That's the car I want. I'm a tech bro. You know what I'm saying? That's what we all get. You know what I'm saying? We like Teslas. That's how it goes. Either way, we'll see how this internship goes. Again, I'll keep up to date. I'm posting one video a week at very least. Like that was my promise. I would love to get it up to more, because something I want to do. I want to be a YouTuber. Like, it sounds funny how I do want to be a YouTuber. That's something I really want to do. And if y'all don't know, but I've had channels in the past. Most of what got on a channel was, I think, right under 9,000 subscribers. So I've built up a channel to nothing crazy, but a small amount that I feel like I know how to structure videos, things of that nature. So again, these videos are not structured at all for any type of engagement, things of that nature. So I'm not there at the moment. But even when I do start making the more structured videos that I really want to be engaging and I know they're gonna get more views, I'm probably still gonna throw these in here and there, just to make sure, just more of a thought dump, just so people understand kind of the state I'm in right now, what I'm thinking, how I'm feeling at the moment. It just helps me connect with my audience, the people who actually want to connect with me. You know what I'm saying? They'll watch the videos and they'll be connected. If they don't want to, they just want to see whatever clickbait or whatever video I made at the time, you can watch that too. But yeah, that's really it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what you guys want me to talk about next, any content you want me to see, or if you have your own dilemma in the comments. If you have a comment you want me to talk about in a video, I'll do that too. I'm just, what I'm saying? Again, the point of this channel is for someone else who's also in tech, that maybe might feel like, oh shoot, is this gonna work for me, or I'm not able to get into tech because XYZ reason. I'm gonna be here to like tell people like, yeah, it's very possible. I don't want to make it all glamorized, like, you get 6 figures on your first job. That's not how it works. But just be here to chat with y'all, see what's up. Either way, hope you enjoyed the video. See you next one.